On a sunny little farm, there lived a loud rooster named Lolo and a quiet turtle named Turbo. Now, Turbo was different. He moved super slow, like really slow. But Turbo had the kindest heart on the entire farm. Lolo? Oh man, Lolo loved making jokes. "Hey, Turbo," Lolo laughed one morning. "By the time you reach that fence, winter will be back again." The cows giggled, the ducks quacked, and poor Turbo just smiled and stayed kind. But one afternoon, everything changed. Out of the bushes came a hungry jackal. "Ah!" Lolo screamed, flapping everywhere. He ran left, ran right, but none of the animals helped him. Then suddenly, slow, steady, brave, Turbo started walking toward the jackal. Just as the jackal jumped at Lolo, snap! Turbo bit the jackal's tail. The jackal spun around, angry. Lolo got the chance to escape. When the jackal attacked Turbo, he quickly tucked into his hard shell. The loud noise brought the farmer running, and the jackal ran away. Lolo walked up slowly. "Turbo, I'm really sorry, and thank you for saving me." Turbo just smiled. Moral: kindness is a strength, even when others don't see it. If you believe kindness beats bullying, drop a heart and subscribe for more amazing stories.